Oh wow, this is new. They now put the paint, the lane. Yeah, good morning guys. We are now going to work. The time now is around 5:33, 5:35. You know that car? That's my colleague, my chef. Good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty. No, actually I am already here in the Albura Marina. I finished my duty at 3 o'clock. The time now maybe is 3:30. Yeah, 3:33. I'm just waiting for my coffee, small cappuccino there. And this is how it looks like. Nice weather today. The clouds is just normal, not like yesterday was amazing. Today is just like this. Yeah, a lot of people there doing some paddle boarding, something like that. People swimming. Yeah, picnic like that. The water is very clear. Nice. Yeah, we are here in the grocery because I need to take one of these. This one, I don't know how much, maybe I think this is $2, and not this one. Yeah, I'm going to take this $2. Yeah, because you know I need to grate the carrots for the spring roll, for the lumpia. And I'm also going to take this sour cream. This is like Pringles, but this one is cheaper, just $1.80. And we're now home, and we're going to use this to grate these carrots. Good morning guys. Yeah, it is now 9. I easily forgot. Yeah, 9:15. And we're going to have the breakfast lunch. Yeah, I already had my coffee. I also had my oatmeal this morning at around 6 o'clock. And now we're going to cook the spring roll, the Filipino lumpia. I portion it like this, and the rest is in the freezer. So whenever I need one, I just need to defrost and fry. Sumpa ko, hindi magbabago, ngunit bakit ika'y lumisan? Sabihin mo na ika'y babalik, ako ay maghihintay. Bumalik ka lamang sa akin, ikaw ay aking tatanggapin. Pagkat ang puso ko at damdamin, ikaw lamang ang iibigin. Mukhang malungkot ka sa aking pag-iisa, nais mo bang mayroong makasama? Sana'y huwag kang matakot sa paglapit ko, pakikipagkaibigan lang ako. Alam mo ba, ganun din ako, nalulungkot, at ako'y katulad mo. Pag-isahin natin ang gabing ito, at pagsikat ng araw, wala nang lungkot mo. Kaligaya ay huwag mong pipigilan. Yeah, I think we need to add some oil. Oh, it's fine. Yo, it is now ready. Yeah, this will be my... Yeah, before going to work, this will be my meal. Yeah, this is just sauce dipping because I don't have any ketchup or tomato sauce or mayonnaise here, so this will be just it. Yeah, nice meal. I am satisfied with this meal, but to be honest, I'm not really satisfied the way I prepared the lumpia, because yeah, also it's not the best tasting lumpia. The lumpia that I've tasted in the Philippines or in other Filipino houses are much better than what I did. Yeah, but this one is okay. I learned that in making lumpia, you should roll it while the meat is still raw, because when you are rolling the lumpia when it's cooked, not good, not easy. The paper roll is breaking. Yeah, but it's okay. I will see you later. Yeah, 11:35 when I left the house, so yeah, I still have some minutes to get to work. Sorry sir. Here's dog. I have my chef's jacket inside. I'm wearing it already. I just covered it with this sweater. It's a little bit cold today. Maybe the temperature is less than 20 degrees. Yeah, because you know, in the previous days it was raining hard and very windy.